I'm here standing next to my 2011 Honda Ridgeline. Now I've heard this is a similar problem that many other pickup trucks face. It's a hot summer's day and your air conditioner is broken. So I had my air conditioner looked at by a local garage. They said it's going to be $800 plus you need a new compressor. If the camera comes over here, it turned out I did not need an $800 compressor, parts and labor. You open up your relay box, and this is something you should totally check before you spend $800 plus on a new compressor. This relay, this one right here in the middle of these two blue relays, this controls the compressor for the air conditioner. And all I had to do was buy a new relay for $10 and my air conditioner worked perfectly. A friend of mine who's an expert at mechanics and auto repair told me to switch this compressor, this relay, to remove it and put this one in its place because they're the same size relay. And when we switched them, the air conditioner suddenly worked. So that was the test we did. I drove down, bought a new relay, put it in where the air conditioner relay is, and I have full icy cold air conditioning for $10 instead of $800 plus for a new compressor.